They are fine, the puppies. This baby is recovering. Baby? Yeah, I put some biscuits here and some milk, and I arranged this because all of them are sleeping in this corner. I got this carpet from home which we are not using. There, this baby will go and sleep. This baby will go and sleep. This baby is Mama. Hi baby. But the sad part is they are keeping this room so dirty, all flies, and I cannot complain because getting a place is more than enough at this point of time. And these babies are fine, and this baby is getting better. Oh, okay. And this baby is getting better. Eye is getting better. Nose is getting better. Oh shit. Oh baby. No, baby. All is my babies, baby. All are my babies. And the sad part is, mother is not to be found. Mother is nowhere to be found. Yesterday, the whole area is searched. I found this rabies affected dog. I think by now that dog must have been dead now. But mother is nowhere to be found. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. Without mother, who will adopt them? And shelters have no place. Again, I have to keep them on road there. Without mother, they have to survive. Oh gosh, it's devastating. I don't know if I did something wrong. Maybe it was a wrong decision, but at that point of time when that dog is coming over again and again to the place to attack all these pups, or to attack all these pups, so we didn't have any choice. We didn't have any choice but to, save them, bring them to safer place. But at the same time, we are feeling sad that we separated these pups from mom, and mom is gone. She vanished. She didn't want to stay here. We got mom here, and she tried to escape. She tried to jump because there's no door here. She tried to jump, and they have 2-3 dogs there, and there are street dogs outside, and dogs are very territorial. If any strange dog they see, they attack. So that's the reason why we thought it's better to keep the pups here and leave the mother dog there just for a night. But the next morning, yesterday, we came and saw Mama is not there. We are like, I especially searched like anything, shouting on the roads, everybody looking at me, thinking I'm mad or something. Some people stopped and asked, ma'am, did you lose something? Did you lose your dog, or did you lose someone? I said, yeah, it's my dog, mother dog. So I'm searching. So, oh my God, I have to jump this. I could see. Baby, she's fine, baby. It's healing, baby. It's healing, and you're feeling itchy. Oh my God, they're just tearing off my pants and shoes, my dress. I'm just so sad about mother dog, mummy. I call her mummy. She's just 8 months old, that mama dog. But it's stinking. At least there's ventilation, at least. It's stinking. We have to take that thing off, that garbage. At least they cleaned, but because of the garbage, I guess it's stinking and flies. I got some bread and biscuits So I'll see. I'll try to come again. Meanwhile, they'll drink that milk and have biscuits. Archie baby, and this baby is getting better. Hopefully she becomes better. Oh, that's a boy. Oh, two boys, two girls. Arey, who's the girl? You are the girl. You are the boy. Who? So I'll just go have a look for mom. Have a look for mom, and I will be back again. Oh my God. Oh shit. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, I got it. Baby, I'll come back, baby. Maybe I'll come back. I don't know what to do. These people have come and said, please take the puppies away because they've been barking, they've been howling. I think for mom. We are thinking at least we can take the pups and put it in the old place so that even seeing the pups, mama will come. Maybe that's the best idea.